Ready to fill your home with love this Valentine's Day? Looking for beautiful Valentine decorations ideas that make your space feel warm and romantic? Searching for easy DIY Valentine decorations ideas or budget-friendly finds that still look stylish? Or maybe you want creative Valentine's Day home decor ideas to celebrate love without going overboard? Then stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 easy, creative, and affordable Valentine's Day decorating ideas you'll absolutely love. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, we're sharing beautiful Valentine decorations ideas, creative DIY Valentine's Day decor ideas, and easy Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas that you can use to style your home with love. From wreaths to ornaments and simple crafts, this guide has everything you need for a romantic Valentine's setup. What makes Valentine's Day decorations feel special at home? Valentine Decor is all about warmth, romance, and personal touches. Soft colors, hearts, candles, and florals define timeless Valentine's Day decorations ideas. What are the most popular Valentine decorations ideas right now? Wreaths, garlands, table decor, and cozy accents are trending. These Valentine decorations ideas instantly transform your home. If you love seasonal home decor, hit like and share this video with someone who loves Valentine's Day. How do I decorate my home for Valentine's Day easily? Start with entryways, living rooms, and dining tables. These Valentine's Day home decor ideas create a festive feel without decorating every room. What are simple ideas for decorating for Valentine's Day? Swap pillows, add candles, and display heart-themed accents. These ideas for decorating for Valentine's Day are quick but impactful. Do you decorate your whole home or just one room for Valentine's Day? Tell me below. What DIY Valentine decorations ideas are easy for beginners? Paper garlands, mason jar crafts, and painted signs are perfect. These DIY Valentine decorations ideas are fun, affordable, and personal. What DIY Valentine's Day decor ideas work on a budget? Reuse jars, scrap fabric, and printable art. These DIY Valentine's Day decor ideas look beautiful without costing much. For more DIY and seasonal decor ideas, check out the full playlist in the description. What Valentine wreath ideas are trending this year? Heart-shaped wreaths, neutral florals, and minimalist designs are popular. These Valentine wreath ideas look modern and welcoming. How can I make a Valentine wreath myself? Use a wreath form, faux florals, ribbon, or felt hearts. DIY Valentine wreath ideas are easy and customizable. Love DIY decor? Subscribe for weekly seasonal decorating ideas. What Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas are worth trying? Dollar Tree signs, florals, and garlands are great bases. These Dollar Tree Valentine decorations ideas can look high-end with simple styling. What Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor ideas look most stylish? Neutral signs, glass jars, candles, and faux florals. These Dollar Tree Valentine's Day decor ideas blend beautifully with modern homes. For more Dollar Tree and budget decor ideas, check the related videos below. What Dollar Tree Valentine's Day crafts are easy to make? DIY candle holders, framed quotes, and small wreaths. These Dollar Tree Valentine's Day crafts are quick and fun. What DIY Valentine ornaments can I make at home? Paper hearts, wooden tags, and mini hanging decor are great. These DIY Valentine ornaments work for shelves, trees, or garlands. How do I decorate for Valentine's Day without cluttering my home? Focus on a few statement pieces and keep colors cohesive. These Valentine's Day decorations ideas feel elegant and balanced. What Valentine's Day home decor ideas work for small spaces? Door wreaths, table decor, and soft lighting. These Valentine's Day home decor ideas add charm without taking up space. What's the easiest way to refresh my home for Valentine's Day? Add a wreath, candles, and a few heart accents. Even simple Valentine decorations ideas make your home feel festive. And that's it. 15 Valentine decorations ideas to help you celebrate love with style, warmth and creativity. From DIY projects and Dollar Tree finds to wreaths and cozy home decor, Valentine's Day decorating can be simple, affordable, and beautiful. Whether you love bold red hearts or soft romantic touches, these Valentine's Day decorations ideas help your home feel full of love. How do you decorate for Valentine's Day, DIY or store-bought? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal decorating inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day!